Hello everybody, happy Star Wars Day. Welcome to another video, and today we will be making these beaded lightsabers for Star Wars Day, obviously. So what you will need is 25 beads for the laser of your lightsaber. Today I'm just making a classic blue one. You will need 7 silver beads and 8 black beads, both for the handle. Let's see, you also need bead containers, something to hold your beads in. For wire, you'll need 16 inches or 41 centimeters of 28 gauge wire. I'm using this, and it is black copper wire, and the best stuff you can get is on firemountaingems.com, and it's called Parawire, I believe. You will also need scissors to cut your wire and a ruler to measure your wire. So let's get started. First, take your wire, fold it in half. Fold it in half, and you are going to put one of your laser beads, so in my case blue, one blue bead on your wire like that. You're going to bring it down and let it rest in the middle like that, and kind of hold it in place with your thumb and finger. And you're going to take one wire around and stick it through that bead so it loops around like this, and then you're going to pull tight. Make sure it stays in the center, and to make sure it's in the center you can strip your wires back like this, and if they're even, then you're good. Now we're going to do 12 rows of 2 beads. So I'm going to do 1 row first. So put 2 beads on your wire, bring them down, and the wire that does not have beads on it, loop it around and stick it through those beads. And now pull tight, and here's the tip of your lightsaber, and we're going to do this 11 more times, I guess until you are out of laser beads. So that's twice. It's 3 times. Four. 5. 6. 7. Oops. Oh no. So that's 7. You can always pause the video and do this step if you would like. Oh my goodness. Alright, 8. 9. 10. 2 more rows to go. 11. 1 more, and put your last 2 beads, your 2 laser colored beads and put them on your wire. And last step. And there you go. So now you're done with your laser part, your little sword part. Now we're going to move on to the handle. So we're going to take 3 of your silver beads. I guess they can be gray too, or whatever kind of color you have that's close to silver. So 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. Bring them down and then do the same process. I can zoom in. Around like that. And then pull tight. Like that. Now we're going to put 3 black beads on our wire. 1, 2, and 3. Bring them down. And do the same process. There we go. Now we're going to take 1 black bead, 1 silver bead, and then another black bead and put it on our wire. So the silver bead is in the middle. So 1 black, 1 silver, and another black. Bring it down. And pull tight. Now we're going to do 3 more silvers, and these should be your last silvers. So 1, 2, and 3. Bring them down. And do the same process again. There we go. And now we're going to take your, you're done with your silver beads, and now we're going to use the rest of our black beads. We're almost done. So 3 black beads on your wire. Bring them down. And string them and pull tight. Alright, so now we're done with all the beads. Now we're going to secure it. So we're going to take this wire and loop it around and through the beads. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit. Oh, there we go. So until it pokes through the other side and pull tight. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other one. Like that. Pull tight. All right, now we're going to take the wires and twist them together a few times. And now we're going to take our scissors, trim off the extra, and then we're going to press this the little hook, the kind of little spiky part that we left over with our thumb. Just press it down so you don't get scratched. And there is your little lightsaber. And it's a pretty simple tutorial, or a pretty simple design. And they are really cute. You can make all these colors like I have obviously done. They would actually look pretty cute on earrings too. So you can go crazy. Anyways, so happy Star Wars Day, everyone. May the 4th be with you. And I will see you all next month. Oh yeah, and I did post this tutorial 4 days early just because I wanted to do it on Star Wars Day. Because usually I post on the 8th, but this is the 4th, obviously. Anyways, so I will see you next month. And make sure to leave your suggestions for designs below in the comments. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!